Ankit, I was wondering if you could hear what that police officer was saying, but if you could clarify whether Arvind Kejriwal will be detained or not if he tries to go through. Has that decision been taken yet?
Now the senior police officials are talking to the Delhi Chief Minister. Pierre, let me also inform you that other ministers, Satyendra Jain, the Health Minister of Delhi, has also joined right now. He's standing next to the car of Arvind Kejriwal. He, along with Somnath Bharti, who is inside the car as of now. They are right now, the senior officials of the Delhi police are speaking to the Chief Minister. In fact, trying to tell him what the situation is. But so far, the Chief Minister's car is on that very spot where he was stopped. He's sitting inside the car and waiting. In fact, he is followed. He is right now with two more ministers, Somnath Bharti and Satyendra Jain, the Health Minister. He's also accompanied by the Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister. All of them are just near the Central Secretariat Metro Station, right next to the Rail Bhavan. In fact, the Delhi Chief Minister so far has not budged from his position. He said he also told us in the morning that he is the elected Chief Minister of. In fact, Pierre, if I can quickly tell you, breaking news just coming in. There is protest against Arvind Kejriwal from the Hindu Rakshak Dal and the Bharatiya Aam Aadmi Parivar. They are protesting against Arvind Kejriwal as of now, saying that Arvind Kejriwal is indulging in gimmickry and drama. There are these 5 to 6 protesters, those who have gathered right next to the convoy of Arvind Kejriwal. The police is right now trying to control them. If you can see on your screens these visuals, these protesters shouting slogans against Arvind Kejriwal. The police is trying to stop them. Remember, prohibitory orders are already in place. All these members are shouting slogans against Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. They are saying that these people are autocratic. Arvind Kejriwal he's a constitutionally elected Chief Minister, and right now with all these gimmickry, he's only tried to divert attention from the real issues of the people. As of now, as we speak, these protesters have been detained by Delhi police. They are being put inside one bus that the Delhi police has arranged. All these protesters are now being pushed inside the bus. They will be taken to Parliament Street Police Station for further legal action. As of now, these protesters, 5 to 6 in numbers, they had come and they started shouting slogans against the Chief Minister. As we speak, the confrontation is still on. In fact, Delhi senior police officials right now speaking to the Chief Minister of Delhi, and they are trying to convince him, but so far, the Chief Minister, along with other ministers, is still in his car. They are, in fact, not budging from their situation, from their position. The Delhi police of senior officials are trying to make them understand the situation. Remember, 26 January is just around the corner, and that is why a huge presence of Delhi police as far as this entire fiasco is concerned.